Wellaholic's lifetime maintain mode is a special commitment to take care of our customers for life. Customers who have completed 12 sessions of treatments enjoy up to 50% off the retail rates when you qualify for the lifetime maintain mode. This is valid for a lifetime as long as you continue to be a Wellaholic member. For example, for SHR permanent hair removal, customers can enjoy lifetime prices for small areas, large areas, and even Brazilian. Lifetime prices are also extended to gold RF microneedling, wellafreeze 360 fat freeze, wellafreeze fat freeze, microneedling for scalp and teethwhite teeth whitening treatment. There are certain terms and conditions associated with Wellaholic's lifetime maintain mode, but we will continue to keep lifetime prices at 50% of the retail prices. To find out more, visit Wellaholic's website. Why are Wellaholic's prices so affordable? This is in line with Wellaholic's vision to provide affordable aesthetic treatments that work, with transparent pricing and no hard selling. Wellaholic locates our outlets at convenient locations near MRT stations, but with more affordable rents, so that we can pass our cost savings back to our customers. The result? Happy customers, as seen from over 1,000 positive customer reviews on Google Reviews and TripAdvisor reviews. We provide excellent customer service and focus on creating a relaxed and comfortable environment for our customers. We do not hard sell. Instead, we let our services speak for themselves. At Wellaholic, we are constantly reviewing our brand promise, which is to provide affordable treatments for our customers and help our customers see results with treatments that are backed by science and research. We always work to ensure availability of capacity and slots so that customers can make bookings easily online. We look forward to seeing you at Wellaholic. Check out our website at wellaholic.com. Or to make a free booking, go to Wellaholic Live/book. See you.